Hello everyone, this is Shafiq. In this video I am going to show you how to migrate your cPanel accounts from one server to another server. This is my source server and this is the targeted server. Okay, I want to migrate this server cPanel accounts to this new server. Okay, so WHM installed on both servers. So I am going to copy this IP address. This is the source server. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, in the remote server. Okay, this is the transfer tool. You can paste your IP here, remote server address. Okay, you can paste your IP, this source server IP. Okay, and then paste your SSH port 22 and it should be root default. Okay, and then password. Okay, root server password, not this server. You can put this server, I mean source server password here, and then click on scan remote server. It will scan your remote server. Okay, I mean your source server and all of the data which is available on your source server. You need to select this one in the packages and then service configuration. You need to select auto SSL, backups, cPanel WHM, database, easy Apache, exim, and then rule, mode security, and user interface themes. Okay, you need to select all and then verify. Select this one and accounts. Okay, this one. Let me click on copy. You can see here transfer and restore processing. Okay, it will take some time. After that all of your data will be migrated to the new server. Data will be available in the source server as well, and it will be migrated to the new server as well. Okay, you can see here our transfer 100%, restore 100%. You can see the processing has been completed. Now we need to verify. Click on WHM. Okay, list accounts. You can see here the data has been migrated. We need to click here. Click on file manager. Public HTML, and then you can see all of our data has been migrated here. We need to type terminal. We need to type the command dig and then our domain name and press enter. It will show you the current DNS. So this is the process you can migrate your cPanel account from one server to another server. Thank you.